AI is no longer just for tech experts. It's for anyone who wants to earn money online, even if you've never coded a single line in your life. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that you can start using today to make $100 or more per day from home with no. And here's the best part. You can start using most of these tools for free or with very low cost. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to share my secret bonus tool that can turn your AI side hustle into a fully automated income stream. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more AI money-making tips, and check the description for my list of 10 must-have AI tools to help you start fast. First up is Jasper AI. This is one of the most powerful AI writing tools out there, and it's perfect for creating high-quality content in minutes. With Jasper, you can write blog posts that rank on Google, social media captions that get clicks, email marketing campaigns, product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Here's how to make money with it. Offer freelance writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Specialize in SEO blog posts or sales copy. Use Jasper to deliver content faster, so you can take on more clients. The average blog post on Fiverr sells for anywhere between $50 to $150. Write just 2 posts a day, and you're easily hitting your $100 goal. Pro tip: pair Jasper with SurferSEO to make your articles rank faster and charge premium rates. Second on the list is Canva Pro. And yes, it's AI-powered now. With Canva's magic Rytr and AI design features, you can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, digital products like planners, ebooks, and printables. Here's a money-making strategy. Create custom social media content packages for small businesses. Offer 30 posts for $200 to $300 a month. Canva's templates and AI tools make it possible to design all of them in just a couple of hours. You can also sell print-on-demand designs on Etsy, Redbubble, and merch by Amazon, all made in Canva without expensive software. Third is Pictory AI, a video creation tool that turns scripts or even blog posts into high-quality videos automatically. This is perfect for starting a faceless YouTube channel, selling video content creation services, repurposing blog posts into short social media videos. To make money, offer YouTube video creation services on Fiverr. Many business owners will pay $50, $100 per video, and with Pictory, you can make them in under an hour. Or use it for yourself to start a YouTube automation channel, post daily videos, and monetize with ads and affiliate links. Fourth is Murf.ai, one of the most realistic AI voiceover tools available. You can use it to create professional narrations for videos, make podcast intros and outros, produce audio books from ebooks you've written with AI. Freelance marketplaces are full of voiceover gigs that pay $30 to $100 for. With Murf, you can pick a voice that sounds natural, choose the tone, and deliver a ready-to-use audio file in minutes. No recording equipment needed. Finally, Copy.ai, a versatile AI writing assistant built for marketing and business. This tool can generate email sequences, product descriptions, Facebook and Google ads, Instagram captions. If you're into affiliate marketing, Copy.ai is a game changer for writing persuasive product reviews and sales copy that actually converts. You can also offer copywriting services to small businesses that want to improve their ad performance. And here's the bonus tool I promised, Pabbly Connect. Think of it like your AI automation assistant. It connects all your tools together so tasks run on autopilot. Example: Jasper writes a blog post, gives Canva, makes a featured image, gives Pabbly, posts it on WordPress, gives then sends it to all your social media accounts. This kind of automation lets you scale your income without burning out. These AI tools are the reason I believe anyone can start making money online in 2025. No coding, no big investments, just smart tools and smart work. If you want my complete list of 10 just-have AI tools and step-by-step training links, check the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which AI tool you're going to try first.